So, you've been to the 医生, been to the doctors, you have told them 哪里不舒服, where you are not feeling well, and now the doctor is going to do something about it. Or he's going to tell you what you can do about it. In this video, we're going to talk about some treatments that the doctor might offer. So stay tuned and learn some very useful Chinese. Now, of course, you want to know, how can I get better? Well, first of all, the doctor might tell you to 吃药, take medicine. So here we use the verb 吃 to eat. You don't use the verb take, 拿. You don't say 拿药. You can use 拿药, but that just means to take the medicine and maybe put it in your bag. So to actually ingest the medicine, that is 吃药. Or he might give you a 药膏, which means it's a topical medicine, and he will tell you to 擦药, so to rub the medicine. 擦 is to rub. What kind of medicines are there? 止痛药, which is a painkiller. 止痛, stop pain. 药, stop pain medicine. Painkillers. If you have 拉肚子, remember from the last video? Diarrhea. So, if you have 拉肚子, the doctor will give you 止泻药. 止泻 means to stop the diarrhea. 泻 is another word for diarrhea. 止泻药. So, this medicine to stop the diarrhea. If you are the opposite, if you are 便秘, which means constipated, the doctor will give you a 泻药. So, diarrhea medicine. So, it's a medicine that gets you flowing. If you say to the doctor, 我睡得不好, I have trouble sleeping, he will give you a 安眠药. That is sleeping medicine, sleeping pills. So you can 吃药 to eat the medicine, you can 擦药, you can rub it. The doctor or the nurse, the 护士, will sometimes also 打针, which is to inject, to give an injection. 针 is the needle. You don't always have to take medicine. Sometimes the doctor will say, okay, 休息, rest. Or the doctor will say, 吃维他命. 维他命 is vitamins. So vitamin A, vitamin B, so those are the different kinds of vitamins that you have. So you just say 维他命 and then the letter of the alphabet. If you have 脚扭到, if you sprained a foot or something, that kind of injury, he might tell you to go to physical therapy, which in Chinese is 复健. 复健 is rehab, rehabilitation. You can also call it PT, physical therapy. If it's 骨折, if it's broken, remember that word from the last video? Then he will use 石膏. 石膏 is plaster, so a cast. So if you have 腿骨折, so broken leg, 把腿打上石膏. So put plaster, hit plaster, but you don't hit the plaster, it already hurts enough, I think. So put plaster, put a cast on the leg. And if he's not really sure what is wrong, then he might tell you to go for an X-ray. 照 X 光. So X, you just use the English letter X, and then 照 as in 照相, take a picture. So 照 X 光, take an X-ray. If people go to the 妇产科, so people are pregnant, 怀孕, remember also from the last videos, then the doctor will 照超音波 or 超音波, can be 波 or 波. Sometimes words have more than one pronunciation. One is more colloquial than the other, or it also depends on where they are in a sentence. So you can either, in this case, you can say 波 or 坡. Both are acceptable. 照超音波 is to give an echo. If it's really serious, the doctor says, okay, you have to go For surgery, surgery is 开刀. 开 open 刀 knife. That means surgery. Or another word is 手术. Hand art. 术 is a skill or an art. 动手术 means to have surgery, undergo surgery. So you can either say 开刀 or 动手术. Okay, and that concludes the series on medical issues for now. Of course, there are many more other words that have to do with that topic. I just made a selection. And feel free to ask me in the comments for some more words. How do you say this or how do you say that in Chinese? I'm always more than happy to help you with your Chinese. That is what I'm here for, to help you. I would also appreciate a like and a subscribe. That would really be fantastic because that means I will reach more people and I can help more people with their Chinese and tell more people about how fun and interesting and also useful Chinese can be. And I hope this video and the two previous ones were useful to you. Of course, most of the times it's never fun to go to the doctors, but it's good that you can understand the doctor and you can also express yourself and tell the doctor what's wrong with you. So I hope I've helped you with that. Have fun studying Chinese and see you in the next video. 继续加油